I'm Sharon. I'm here in the Prima booth with Tiffany, and I have something really fun to show you. So these are our redesigned transfers, and if you don't do furniture or you know, you want to find a new way to use them, that's what we have with Sip and Art. So what these are transfers, and when you open that up, you're going to have a bunch of rolls of these beautiful peacocks on this one, and the transfer is on there, and it has a backing sheet. So you just peel that off, and I pre-gessoed this canvas, and I've already started one. So
this is one of the transfers.
Yes, there's like 5 peacocks in that tube, and you can see all of them right here on the back. So this is the one that I just used, and the one I unrolled is this one, and I did a canvas earlier with this big guy. So put your transfer on, it rubs on with a little stick. It's super easy to get on, and if it's foolproof. If it didn't stick, it'll be on your top sheet, and you lay it back down. Then what I did, and this part, I am not artsy at all, but this whole thing is pretty foolproof. I took a couple paints, and I'm sitting here just kind of adding wispy grasses in. So this is like maybe half done, and I will then do the sky next. And I'm using the Impasto paints by Finn, and kind of mixing them. One tube, you can add a little white, you can add a little black, and get multiple colors. When it's done, I'll show you one that I finished a couple hours ago. Now, this was my first ever large canvas. It looks like you painted that peacock, and no one needs to know you didn't. But it makes for a really fun class to get together with a bunch of girlfriends, and you can sip on things and do a little art together. So let me show you a couple other samples we have in the booth. So over here, you're going to see one with our new floral transfers, and that is just gorgeous. So these are all transfers, okay? And this is the painted part. And if you're a retailer, we will have videos on how to do all of these, you know, so you don't have to figure it out. Thus, the sunflowers and bluebells and leaves are the transfers, and then the sky and the grass are painted. It looks like you can't do it, but you really can. Let me show you this chair. You can put our transfers on furniture, of course. You have to prep it and stuff, but it makes a really pretty showpiece, doesn't it? Then here is another one. These are pretty new transfers, and most of that is a transfer, and she came in and added, you know, a bit more sky and some of the waves. And there's that peacock again. That's another one. Cool. She probably added some of the feathers, so you can totally alter it. I'm sure she took some of the lime green paint and brought the colors up. It's gorgeous, because trying to figure out, I'm sure she started with this one right here. And there are some of the paints that we use.
Love them.
Those are by Finn Bear. We love her paint.
Yes.
All right, so that's Sip and Art.
Yep.
You can go ahead and zoom in on any you want. Some of them, the designs, here was the sailboat. See that?
Yeah.
So on the back, you'll see the whole picture. Sorry.
No, it's fine.
And it does come in 3 sheets. You just match it up.
So you're so right. It does look like it's all textured already and everything.
Yes,
so
and you
cool.
just add some finishing touches. Now, some of them are more cut apart than others.
Oh, this one, I gotta get this one. This is cool with the flowers.
Flowers are really popular. I mean, some of these don't work so great for sipping art, but they'll work for other projects.
Yep.
and then let me grab the sunflower. That is that sunflower painting. So she cut a lot of these out in the leaves, and then added her stems herself. So really fun. You would do so well at this, Tiffany, because you could add your mixed media on top if you had to do that.
What transfers these flowers down here?
So I did this one, and this is the poppy. This is actually my very first one. So you get, I want to say 16, 17 poppies. I cut 2 out with some of the stems and literally wrapped it around. Wow. So that was easy. And then I started painting, and I didn't know what I was doing. but it's not bad.
Pretty. No, that's really pretty.
So I would say I'm like kindergarten level artistic talent, and if I can do this, anybody can.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Sharon.
Thanks.